Assalamualaikum. In this video, I will explain you the topic angle properties. There are actually four angle properties. So first type is Z angles, and they are also called alternate angles. Z angles are also called alternate angles. So actually, alternate angles makes Z shape. So let's discuss how. Okay, so there will always be two parallel lines, and one line will be intersected. One straight line will be intersecting those two parallel lines. So the angles you can see comes from the Z shape. So Z shape you can see this Z shape. So the angles inside Z shapes like this angle, this angle, and this angle will be called, you can say, these will be called same angles. And the other Z you can see here, this one. So the angles inside this shape are this and this. They will be same. So like the angles inside Z are this and this. Angle inside this Z are this and they will be same. So this is, you can say, alternate angles property. These will be called alternate angles. This A and this A are called alternate angles, and this B and this B are called alternate angles because they are making Z shape. Next property is of, we can say, supplementary angles, and they makes C shape. Supplementary angles. What are supplementary angles? If again two lines will be intersecting like that, sorry, two lines will be parallel like that, and one line will be intersecting, one straight line will be intersecting those parallel lines. You can see here C shape. This one is one C shape, and the angles between these shapes are this and this. So what is the property of supplementary angles? The angles between C, the sum of the angles between the C shapes will be 180 degree. Like if this is A and this is B, A plus B should be is equal to 180 degree. And the other C you can see here is this C. So the angles between this C will be is equal to, the sum of the angles between this C should be is equal to 180 degree. A plus B is equal to 180 degree. So this is, you can say, supplementary angles property, and they make C shape. And what is the supplementary angles property? The angles inside C shape, their sum should be is equal to 180 degree. Okay, third is X angles, and they are called vertically opposite angles. And first of all, we will discuss actually F angles, corresponding angles. Again, what is the condition? That two lines should be parallel and one straight line will be intersecting those parallel lines, like that. So we can see here F shape. This is F shape that we can see here. So angles inside F shape are this one and this one. If this is A, this will also be A, like, sorry, this one. So what is the property of corresponding angles? The angles, the angles that are making F shape will be same. What is the other F shape that you can see here? This is the other F shape that you can see here, and the angles inside F are this one and this one. So they should be same. One more shape you can see here. Let me choose marker. Look at this F. You can extend it, and you can also see this F. This one, and this one. This is also F. So what you can do? The angles inside this F is this is F. other f, and the angles inside this f are this one and this one. So this should be same here. If this is B, this should also be B. They should be same. And the other side, this one. So other F is, you can see this one. This is the other F that you can see here. So angle inside this F will be same. If this is A, this will also be A. So there are, you can see, you can say that there are four F that you can check from here. Angle A is equal to angle A, angle B is equal to angle B. Again, you can see here what is the actually property that corresponding angles are always equal and they makes F shape. Last property, X angles, and they are called vertically opposite angles. If two lines will be intersecting each other like that, this property is different from other three because these lines should not be parallel. They will make X shape like that. So if two lines are intersecting each other like that, this angle will be is equal to this angle. If this is A, this will also be A, and the other angle will be equal to this angle. Like if this will be B, this will also be B. So these are called, A and A are called vertically opposite angles, and these two are called vertically opposite angles. So what is actually vertically opposite angles? What is the property of vertically opposite angles? That they makes X shape, and vertically opposite angles are always same. Now we will do some past paper questions of angles. You can see this question is of October, November 21, P22. Triangle ABC and triangle ACD are isosceles. Triangle DAB is equal to 86 and ADC is equal to 58. Find the value of X. So how to solve it? You can see ACD is an isosceles triangle. So if this is 58, this angle will also be 58. So what are the you can say property or rules of isosceles triangle? That their base angles will be equal. What are the base angles? You can see these two sides are same. So their base angles will be the angles that are with those sides that are same. So these two will be base angles. This C angle and D angle will be the base angles of this isosceles triangle because these two sides are same. So these two angles will be same. Now what we will do? We will find now this one angle of this triangle. Angle A. So to find the angle A, you can subtract 58 and 58 from 180 because angle sum of triangle is 180 degree. 180 minus 58 minus 58. You will subtract angle C and angle D from the triangle and you will get 64. So this angle will be of 64. So what's about the other? If this is 64, so then one it will be you will subtract because this whole angle is 86. So 86 minus 64 you will get this angle and that is 22. So this angle will be of 22. So what about that isosceles triangle ACB? So if this triangle is x, this triangle will also be x, because as I told you, the you can say the properties of isosceles triangle, that their base angles are equal. As these two sides are equal, this small lines means that these two sides are equal. So if these two sides are equal, these x and this x will be the base angles of that triangle. So how we will find x? 180 minus 22, or you can solve it like that. 22 plus x should be is equal to 180 degree. So if we will take triangle ACB, 22 plus x is equal to 180 degree. 22 plus 2x is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 180 minus 22. 2x is equal to 168, and x is equal to 79. So 79 will be the final answer. Okay, so let's do this question number 4. The diagram shows two parallel lines intersecting a straight line. Find the value of x. So as we know that we can see here f. This one is f. So if this is 132, this will also be 132. So how we will solve it? This will also be 132. So if this is 132, we can easily find this x by subtracting 132 from 180. So the angles on a straight line, we will use the property of the angles on the straight line. So what is the property of the angle on a straight line? That all the angles on a straight line, the sum of those angles should be equal to 180 degree. Like the sum of this angle and this angle should be equal to 180 degree, because both angles are on a straight line. So 180 minus 132, that is 48. So this is 48. So this will be your final answer. Next question. 180 minus 59 minus 37. Okay, so what we will do here? Okay, you can see this x here. So as I told you, vertically opposite angles property. So you can see this x, it means this angle and this angle should be same. If that is 59, this should also be 59. So it means A is 59, and which property is using here? Vertically opposite angles property. Angles on a straight line property we can use, and we can find this one angle, and you can see this straight line. So this angle and this angle should be, the sum of these all angles should be equal to 180 degree, because all these angles are on one straight line, this one straight line. So these all angles should be, the sum of all these angles should be equal to 180 degree. So we are using, you can say, the property of angles on a straight line, and 180 minus 59 minus 37 is equal to 84. So it means this angle will be 84. If this is 84, we can see this V. We can see this V. If that is 84, this should also be 84 according to alternate angles. So according to alternate angles, if that is 84, so C angle will also be 84. So now you can easily find angle B. C is 84. How will you find angle B? 180 minus 59 minus 84. That is 37. So B will be 37, we will write here. This is the way how we have to use this property in any question. So the diagram shows a pair of parallel lines and a straight line. Complete the statement with the correct geometrical reason. So you can see the question is x is equal to 40 because the angles are dash. Here you have to write the property. X is equal to 40, you have to give the reason. So as you can see this f, so these angles are making f. So look at these two angles will be equal. So you can see that corresponding angles makes f shape. So here you will write the property name, that is corresponding, because the angles are corresponding. Okay, this question, find the value of x. So angles on a point property is using here. What is the property of angles on a point? So as all of you know that angles at a point is equal to 360 degree. So what we will do, angle at a point property, that is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so it means that 100 plus y should be equal to 360 degree. 100 plus 2y is equal to 360. 2y is equal to 360 minus 100. 2y is equal to 260 and y is equal to 130. So 130 will be our final answer. So I think that's it. These were some questions in the angles topic. So I hope you have understand that topic. If you like my video, please share it with your friends and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.